Righty guys, another little tool review on some tools. Bloody flag flying around. Righty, on this, I think they call them ozito tool kit. So I think I paid about $300 or thereabouts for this tool kit. I think it was on special. It's not a high end one, it's just a budget range. What are they? 18 volt. It's got a come with a 4 ampere battery and a, I think it's 2.5, I think, or 2. Yeah, 2 amp hour battery. So it come with the drill, the driver, the grinder, little torch, obviously the charger, and the wee circular saw, which is, I'm trying to think what size that is. It's not terribly big. I think it does say there somewhere. Can't remember it, but it's not terribly big, but it's handy. Handy. Personally, my recommendations for this. That's not a bad little tool. Hasn't got a terrible lot of grunt, but doing light work, it's good. Torches, I've hammered the abuse out of it. I have had to pull it apart once to clean the contacts out and way it went again, because it was just getting dimmer and dimmer and dimmer. But I think it was just full of shit and it just couldn't get the power through to the light. Drill's been awesome. Again, it's not super powerful, but it's got plenty of grunt to do what you need to do. To be honest, impact driver I haven't used a whole lot, mainly because I haven't really got a lot of decent pieces to put in it. I have got another kit back in New Zealand, which is still with my parents' place, and I had one that I put a the adapter for, you know, like your 1/2 inch and your 3/8 drive and all that sort of stuff, and it was good. It was awesome. It would undo wheel nuts, but I don't think this would do that. I don't think it's got enough power. Light stuff, yeah. Little bolts, yeah, I reckon it would, because I have used it with adapters, you know, like 10 and 12mm, but yeah, it hasn't got a whole heap of power. Nor's the drill, but the drill has worked perfect for everything that I've needed to do, and drill all those spot welds out, stuff like that. It's done well. Now, as for the angle grinder, light work, yeah, fine. But if you want to put a bit of pressure on it and grind something back heavy, or want to use a wire wheel and put a bit of pressure behind it, nah, forget about it, because it just shuts off. But if you wanted something just doing a little bit of slight scuff work, I've tried to use it for cutting, disc. It's pretty average. I would probably steer past that, but again, you know, it's one of those things. It would be handy if you needed it and you didn't have any power anywhere, and you just want to do a little bit of light grinding to clean something up, to maybe do a little bit of welding or something like that you didn't have access with with power or easy power. So yeah, drill's good, and that's good, and the torch is good. The other two, you know, 1.5 dozen the other, I would probably steer away from that. But yeah, like, there'd be probably plenty of other kits that would have a way better grinder in it, but it just seems to, you get a bit of grunt behind it, and it doesn't handle it. But the drill seems to be alright. I've done a fair bit of work with these, and I've held up pretty well. But I don't think I would buy them again, to be honest. But handy enough. Righty, cheers.